Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ClickUp time estimates for Agile sprint planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin updating time estimates in ClickUp for your Agile sprint planning, first, log into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your project is located. Open the specific project that contains your sprint tasks. Locate the tasks you want to update. Click on the task to open its detail view. In the task details, find the time estimate field. If a time estimate already exists, review it to determine if adjustments are necessary. To edit the time estimate, click on the current estimate. Enter your new time estimate based on the team's planning discussions. Ensure that the time estimate aligns with the complexity and requirements of the tasks. Once you've entered the new estimate, click outside the field to save your changes. Repeat this process for all tasks that require updated time estimates. After updating all relevant tasks, review the overall sprint plan for accuracy. Use the sprint planning tool within ClickUp to visualize your updated estimates. Collaborate with your team to confirm that everyone agrees with the new time estimates. Finalize the planning session, ensuring all tasks are understood and assigned appropriately. With updated time estimates, your team is now prepared for the upcoming sprint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.